Hi, I'm Adam, and I'm your host for the show ABC News. So right now we are in front of the Penang International Airport. So we have heard the news that the Emas Company Airlines is currently having a financial issues, and this is because of the incident of their loss of their airplane. So right now they have been terminating their employees, and the company is taking this advantage and dismiss some of their employees who are not even a problem to that company. So we have interviewed some of these employees who are being terminated, being dismissed, and asked them what has been going on in the company. So without further ado, let's see how things goes. See ya.
Hi, Mr. Fit.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Jason from ABC News. So basically, I've heard that you'll be transferred from Subang Airport to Kota Kinabalu Airport.
That's right.
So I want to ask you, how long have you been working there?
I've been working there for about 15 years as a HR manager in Human Resources Department.
Okay. So why did your company transfer you from Subang Airport to Kota Kinabalu Airport?
What I've been told by my manager, I have to fill the vacancy for my position in Kota Kinabalu branch.
Yeah, Fit, go boss.
Oh, alright.
Come in. Sit down.
What do you call me?
Afik, you did a very good job in this company, but I have to transfer you from here to Kota Kinabalu, and you have to go there by tomorrow.
What? Tomorrow? What about my family? I have to leave them here, but I can go there.
Listen up. It's in the contract that I don't have to give you any notice, so I don't care. You have to go there by tomorrow, sharp.
Alright, boss. As you watch the scene just now, the employee are being transferred by his employer to a new place due to fill up a vacancy at the new place. You might think that the company is fault, but it is not. Because under section 12 in bracket 3, number 5, employee refuses to be transferred to other places unless the contract services required to do so. Even there is no notice needed to be done by the employer, but the employer must tell his employee about it first. Right, to make it clear more, I will give a situation. In Sabah, the number of teachers are in small quantity, so there's a lot of vacancy in the school. Hence, to overcome these problems, the institution will transfer teachers from Semenanjung to Sabah.
Hi Mr. Farid, I'm Benny from ABC News. How are you?
I'm fine.
Can I ask you a couple of questions?
Yeah, sure.
How long have you been working for Emas Airlines?
I've been working there for about 8 years now.
8 years. So why do you think the company decided to terminate all those employees?
Due to the infamous incident and they have suffered losses, they decided to reduce the number of employees, and unfortunately I am one of them.
So basically, may I ask, how is your life now?
Pretty much I've lost everything: my family, my house, my job. So.
Come in.
Hi, boss.
Hey, Faris, what's up? How are you?
Fine.
Look, you've done a very good job in this company. I really like your ethics, your efforts to this company. You've done a tremendous amount of jobs here, and I really like that. But, sorry to say this, but since the company has suffered many losses, you've been terminated.
But why? I mean, it's been 8 years since I've been working here, and I've done so much for this company.
It's not that I want you to go. I really like you, but the directors have told me that I need to terminate you. I'm sorry.
No, you can't just do this to me.
Come on. I know that you have done so many things, but sorry. Good. Good.
Then,
As you watch the scene just now, you can see that the employee just got terminated by his employer because the company wanted to minimize the score of work. I know some of you guys don't even understand what just happened as well. So let me explain it to you. Under section 12 bracket 3, it stated that the requirement of that business for the employee to carry out work of a particular kind have diminished. Even though the contract of service said no notice is needed, but the employee is still entitled to a notice under that following cases. I will give you another example for you guys to understand better. Your attempt used to have their own bus drivers to send the students to go back to their hometown. But as the years pass by, they realized that the students already have their own cars and stuff. So they think that it will be such a waste of money if they keep paying the salaries to their bus drivers without getting any profit out of it. So they decided to minimize the score of work.
Then,
Hi.
I'm Pasha from ABC News. May I ask you a few questions?
Okay, sure.
How long have you been working at EMAS Airlines?
I guess around 5 years. 5 years.
Oh, I see. As we know, a lot of workers at EMAS Airlines has been terminated and dismissed, and yet you decided to quit by yourself. Why is it?
So the story starts off. Okay, first of all, they reduced my salary by 3,000. Does this look like I deserve 7,000 salary? 7,000 salary? No, it doesn't. And the other reason is because of the boss, that idiot. I feel kind of pressured to leave the job, you know.
Who wants you to come in?
What's up?
So you're Ben.
Yeah.
What kind of attitude is this?
My attitude.
You know what? Since you have the attitude of a juvenile monkey, I've decided to reduce your salary.
7,000.
Yeah?
Is this a joke?
Is it like a joke to you?
Your face is a joke.
Your bank account's a joke.
Okay.
ATM get lost.
No. You know what? Then I quit.
Whoever you want.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Previously I acted as a employee in a scene before this, and I'm guessing many of you guys may not understand what actually happened. So I'm here to clarify to you guys what actually happened and give a brief explanation of the reduction of salary without just cause. Let's start off with the case of Amanah Butler Malaysia Sdn Bhd versus Siak Chiwa. In that case, the employee's salary was reduced due to a notification by Bank Negara, which was supposed to have a change in the remuneration scheme. However, when he asked his employers why his salary was being reduced, his employers gave him a different reason. They said he was underperforming. Therefore, he felt like he was being squeezed out of the job. And due to that, when he quit the job, when the case was brought to court, the court held that he was not entitled for reinstatement because of mutual trust lacking. However, he was granted constructive dismissal and therefore been given a compensation. So in relation to the scene that I acted in, I, as the employee, was supposed to be, my salary was supposed to be reduced because of the problems, financial problems in the company I worked in. However, the boss, my employer, decided to tell me that my salary was being reduced because of my attitude, and I felt that I was being squeezed out of the job. My salary was reduced because of my attitude. I hope you guys have a clearer understanding of what my scene was about, and that's all from me. Thank you.
Sasha,
Hi,
I'm Andreas from ABC News. Thanks for joining us today.
no problem.
Okay, I would like to ask some questions. My first question is, you are an ex-stewardess from Imas Airlines company, right?
Yes, I am for 5 years.
Right. Okay. My next question is, why aren't you working there anymore? Not anymore.
I don't know why. I think I'm good enough and I've done my work as a stewardess. I've done everything that I should do, but one day my boss called me and he told me that I've been fired. I'm so frustrated
Because of what?
because I didn't even get a chance to defend myself. But what I know as a worker, I have right to be heard.
Oh, right.
Come in.
Hi, sir.
So, you're Tasha.
Yes.
This record tells me that you haven't been come to work for 7 days. So, because of that, here's your check. You're fired. So get out of here.
What is this? I don't want this. I still want to hear.
Doesn't matter. You didn't even give me any good reason why you didn't come here. You didn't come to work. So, get lost.
Okay, sir. Based from the previous video that I have played as a stewardess, I got fired immediately by my boss and not getting any chance to defend myself. Once an employer wanted to dismiss an employee, then the employer needs to give natural justice to an employee. Means an employee must be given right to be heard. If the employee did not give the right, then the employee can claim for the reinstatement. There are two terms that can be highlighted in this case. Firstly, in charge. The decision must be taken after he defends his right. The second term is nemo judex in causa suo. No one shall be a judge if he has an interest in that particular case. If this person is a person who has charged the employee, so that person cannot become one of the board member. Meaning, this person who is one of the board members must be someone who is not related to the employee. Alright, that's all from me. Next, I will leave it to Adam to conclude the video.
Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Adam. Right now, I'm gonna make a presentation on reinstatement. Now, before that, I have to explain to you guys what is termination and dismissal. Now, come with me. Let me tell you what is termination first. Termination is when an employee, both employee and the employer, agree to end the contract. Situations like a company is having a financial crisis and they have to terminate some employees. Now, that is termination. It's different than dismissal. Dismissal is when an employee does a misconduct towards the company. It's his fault. He has done something which he's not supposed to do as an employee. That means he has done a breach of contract. Those who do breach of contract are not entitled to get remedies, which brings me to the next topic, remedies. What are the remedies that are entitled for both terminated and dismissed employees? For now, I'm just going to explain the only one, and that is reinstatement. Those who are being dismissed without just cause and reason, they are entitled to get back to work where he was being dismissed. And it includes many process. First of all, the employee needs to write a letter and send it to the Director General. And he has been given the time for 60 days after being dismissed. Sorry, 60 days after the notice of dismissal being sent to him. So within the 60 days, he needs to send it to the Director General. After those 60 days, he cannot send it anymore. So that is reinstatement. I hope you guys understand what I just said before. Thank you very much for listening.